Number 1. This 1972 Chevrolet SS, available for $9,755 in Sorrento, Louisiana, is being sold by its original owner with 77,595 miles on the odometer. It features a red exterior with a black interior and an automatic transmission. The seller, facing health challenges, is offering the car at a good price and is open to flexible payment plans. This well-maintained classic is a fantastic opportunity for muscle car enthusiasts looking for a car that's been cared for. The 1972 Chevrolet SS is part of the iconic Chevelle lineup, known for its powerful performance and status as a classic American muscle car. Number 2. Listed for $4,200 in Victoria, Texas, this 1976 Lincoln Continental four-door sedan has 96,000 miles and runs well, but needs some attention. The interior is in mid-condition, though the headliner and the top require work. The car comes with a clean title, making it an excellent restoration project for those interested in reviving a classic luxury vehicle. The 1976 Lincoln Continental was known for its imposing size and luxurious features, offering a smooth ride and plenty of space, making it a symbol of American automotive opulence during the 1970s. Number 3. Available for $2,000 in Plymouth, Wisconsin, this 1979 Lincoln Town Car has 100,562 miles and runs on a 302 automatic engine with four-wheel disc brakes and a 9-inch rear end. It recently received new pads, rotors, calipers, and brake lines, along with a conversion from EECI to Duraspark ignition. Though not perfect, the car runs and drives and must be sold by the weekend, with delivery available along Route 151 after payment. The 1979 Lincoln Town Car marked the final year of the first generation, known for its spacious interiors and smooth ride, making it a classic American luxury sedan. Number 4. Listed for $4,000 in Prosper, Texas, this 1978 Oldsmobile Regency sedan has 171,000 miles and has remained in the same family, passed down through generations. The car features a blue exterior, has been garage kept, and is current on its state inspection. With a clean title and no significant damage, it's a well-preserved classic ready for a new owner to cherish. The 1978 Oldsmobile Regency, known for its luxurious comfort and smooth ride, was a top-tier offering from Oldsmobile, blending elegance with durability, making it a desirable option for classic car enthusiasts. Number 5. This 1975 Chevrolet Manza, listed for $3,500 in Carl Junction, Missouri, has 80,000 miles and is powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives well, has no rust, and comes with a clean title. A solid vintage car, it offers plenty of potential for restoration or customization. The 1975 Manza was introduced as a sporty subcompact, designed to compete with European models of the time. It became popular due to its versatility and performance options, making it a collectible classic today for enthusiasts. Number 6. This 1973 Ford Maverick, priced at $7,500 in San Antonio, Texas, has 100,000 miles and is 80% restored. It features a 302 V8 engine from an '89 Thunderbird with just 60,000 miles, fitted with a roller cam. Though the car has been sitting for some time, it's a great project for someone looking to complete the restoration. The seller has owned it for 17 years and is open to trades for commercial or box trucks. The Ford Maverick, introduced in 1970, was a compact car designed to be an affordable and reliable alternative to imported vehicles, gaining popularity among budget-conscious drivers. Number 7. This 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V, listed for $6,000 in Boise, Idaho, has only 57,196 miles and runs great. It's in excellent condition with a gold exterior and interior, powered by a 400 cu V8 engine. The car garners attention wherever it goes, and the seller is open to trades for 1960s muscle cars, with a clean title in hand. The Mark V was introduced in 1977 as Lincoln's flagship personal luxury coupe, known for its elegant design, spacious interior, and smooth ride, embodying the height of 1970s American luxury. Number 8. This 1978 Pontiac Grand Prix GT Coupe, listed for $4,500 in Mount Washington, Kentucky, has 100,000 miles and features a rebuilt body, motor, and transmission, with receipts for some of the work. It's powered by a 355 SBC engine equipped with a big cam, lifters, and rockers, paired with a 350 turbo transmission, and it runs well despite some cosmetic issues, primarily paint chipping. The odometer stopped at around 90,000 miles, which may raise questions about its actual mileage. The Grand Prix, known for its sporty styling and performance, gained popularity in the late 1970s as a personal luxury coupe, offering a blend of comfort and power. Number 9. This 1971 Ford F-250 Camper Special, available for $2,200 in Mulvane, Kansas, has 100,000 miles. It features a 360 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, and air conditioning. While it rolls and steers, the engine isn't currently running, presenting a great opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. The truck comes with a clean Kansas title, adding to its appeal as a solid project vehicle. The F-250, introduced in 1953, has become an iconic heavy-duty pickup known for its durability and versatility, making it a favorite among truck lovers and collectors alike. Number 10. This 1968 Chevrolet Impala sedan is available for $5,000 in Muncie, Indiana, and has 80,000 miles. It features a striking purple exterior with a gray interior and is powered by an automatic transmission. The car runs and drives well, showing no significant damage, making it a solid candidate for a classic cruiser. The 1968 Impala is well regarded for its stylish design and spacious interior, offering a comfortable ride and ample room for passengers. With its classic charm and reliability, this model is a fantastic choice for those looking to enjoy a piece of American automotive history. Number 11. This 1982 Ford F-250 regular cab HD long bed is listed for just $600 in Buckley, Washington. With 67,000 miles, it currently doesn't run due to a dead battery. The truck features a manual transmission and has minimal frame rust, although the body shows significant rust from its time in Cle Elum. Recent work includes a new clutch, resurfaced flywheel, new brake master cylinder, ignition module, rebuilt carburetor, and a newer seat. This classic truck offers plenty of potential for restoration, making it an excellent project for enthusiasts. The Ford F-250 from this era is known for its durability and reliability, ideal for both work and play. Bring a trailer to take this project home.